Hello and welcome to Optum. My name is Lisa Foley and I'm one of the early careers recruiters with the Technology Development Program. We are thrilled with the prospect of you joining us this summer. One of the many questions that we get from our interns is, what is my office space going to look like? What can I expect the summer to look like? Well, I want to show you here today with a virtual tour. So come join me. We offer break rooms with microwaves and refrigerators if you choose to bring in your lunch, as well as vending machines. There is also a host of restaurants that are nearby and coffee shops that are very close proximity to the office. We do offer a nice gym that has all the equipment that you would need, as well as men's and women's locker rooms for your use.
I really loved my experience here at Optum.
I really enjoyed my experience interning here.
These past 2 months have been really enriching.
The work we do here is important.
The projects we're working on really matter.
We're really revolutionizing healthcare.
The TDP program has really allowed me to meet a lot of new people that I've been able to learn from and also grow from.
I've had a great time this summer working with an amazing team, with an amazing manager.
Being able to, surround yourself with your coworkers and also having a great time along with other people while doing your work.
My group, my team, they've just been amazing.
All the people here are so nice.
The managers are always encouraging to ask questions.
It's just great to work here.
Thank you for joining us on our virtual tour. I hope you enjoyed learning more about the New Jersey office. United Health Group, where we are
Caring,
Connected,
Connected,
And growing together.
Growing together.
caring, connected, and growing together.